Okay. Ready na? Ready na? Okay, that's it. Maulang umaga. This is our first foundation day. Kanina, while we are waiting sana na magtila ang ulan, ito po Maranatha Christian Academy, lalo na po sa aming mga bagong parents, nag-start way back 2019. One of our first and original parent way back 2019-2020 na batch is here. Last 2020, kinder ang anak niya. Now, 2025, meron naman siyang another kindergarten pupil. Kasi nag-parade din kami that time. Kaya nag-pop up sa kanyang memories yung parade din namin last, how many years na? 6 years. Right, Mommy? So, ngayon, Mama, isi-share ko sa GC natin. This is our first foundation day since meron na tayong grade 6 for this school year. Then, this is our yearly family day. One of the original parents we have here, 2019-2020 na batch, is only 6 pupils, I think. Pero we have the parade that time. Lalo na ngayon, we have over 90 plus students na kasama for this school year. Wala bang palakpak dyan? Tama! Okay. So we have, I would like to acknowledge Mami Butardo over there. Dalawa ng kanyang kindergarten. Siguro next na naman, meron na naman. Mami na! The silingan of ours from Shen. Ay, na-advertise ka pa. Malay. Okay. Parents, do not be, sabi ko nga ma-stress tayo with this rain. Pero yun lang ang rain daw sometimes or somehow is blessings din. Di po ba? Nagaulan na ang biyaya sa atin. Mamaya, may nag-ask sa akin kung pwede daw ba absent sila on Monday. I will allow. You want? Bibigyan ko kayo ng holiday on Monday.
Yes!
Unsa man?
Yes!
Sige daw?
Yes!
Holiday on Monday.
Yes!
No?
Yes!
No daw. Hindi mo no. Unsa man? Tatas. Holiday on Monday.
Yes!
Wala daw. Hindi daw. Ayaw nila. Kayo? No? O no din? Wala. May klase tayo on Monday.
Mak!
Wala. May klase on Monday. Ayaw na parents nyo. Huwag kayo dyan. May klase. Pero pag doon kung sa may gustong mag-holiday on Monday, okay lang. Don't worry. Ibibigyan ko po kayo ng pero
Holiday!
lalo na yung mga basketball sa Tago. Nice your hand! Wow, that's it. We have Ate City here. Yan. Rebound na, Ate City. Tago. Okay, it is also my privilege nga i-present sa inyo our two distinguished judges, judge for today's event. Okay, lend me your ears. The first judge we have here is one of our previous teacher last year.
Teacher Michelle.
She is the advisor of grade 4, grade 5 rather, and substitute teacher in grade 4. She is one of the loved teacher.
Sila all!
Teacher ng mga grade 5 na grade 6 na ngayon. Shout out grade 6! Yan! Love na
Wow!
She
Sila all!
is a licensed professional teacher,
Wow! Wow!
a graduate of Northern Davao Colleges in Panabo. Let us all welcome our very own and previous teacher, Michelle Mariano.
Wow!
Pabutag si Ken. Love na mo na. Next. Uy, ito. Our second judge. She is a pastor, a singer, kaya mamaya maririnig natin siyang aawit. An elementary teacher, a professional teacher, a licensed professional teacher. 7 years experience as an elementary teacher at MCA Pasay chapter. She is also the grade school advisor for 1 year at Marikina MCA or NCLC rather. She went to Hong Kong in Australia.
Hong Kong?
Oh, sana all teacher. To be an exchange missionary teacher in Hong Kong in Australia. Ah, teacher, I love it. May visa ito. Char. Then, she is now currently taking master's degree at Romblon State University. An associate pastor in Agdao Local Church of PMCC Fort Watch. A beautiful teacher, a loving wife, and caring mother to boy. Boy is over there on a place in the kindergarten room. Parents, help me to welcome our second judge for today's event. Teacher, Michelle Pampang. Wow, dalawang Michelle. Ang pangatlong Michelle, si Michelle D. Lit na ako. Si Michelle. Kaya, thank you, Teacher Michelle. Kahit maulan, Teacher Michelle din. Kahit maulan, you are here with us. Nag-shower sa blessings. Yay! Hopefully, sa graduation, magkasama ulit tayo. Woo! So, ladies and gentlemen, let us now proceed to our program proper. Stay put lang po kayo dyan. Pag medyo magtaligsik na gamay, you may sibog-sibog para at least hindi mo tayo mabasa.
Sibog-sibog.
Okay po? Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Teacher Rose, for the heartwarming welcome address and for introducing our judges. As of now, I will be presenting the criteria for judging because I'm pretty sure everybody is wondering how the candidates will be judged. Aside from that, this pageant is not only merely about glamour and prize, but also defies the contestant character as well. The official character for Mr. and Miss MCA 2025 will be as follows. The criteria for judging: charity 40%, talent 25%, question and answer 25%, stage presentation 10%, and a total of 100%. You have it, ladies and gentlemen. Let's welcome our handsome and lovely candidates for their presentation of sports, wear, and self-introduction. Let's give them a warm of applause.